morning from the For the See Me. This is Chris Robinson with your Traders Exclusive comment for today, Wednesday the 26th. 1 week left in the month, heading toward the election. What are we watching in the livestock and the grains? First off, we've got the US dollar at a 10-month high. Typically that will put pressure, in other words, make prices be lower for commodities. You see the opposite of that. We're having a good rally led up by soybean oil. Soybean oil is at a 2-year high. It's pulled the November soybeans up 70 cents off its lows. Today, as I speak, we've got November beans went through the resistance at $10. Do yourself a favor, go back and draw yourself a trend line. If you go back to the high from this summer and the recent contract low, that trend line, we breached it today after testing it 2 or 3 times last week. A lot of people think that we may run up and test the 100-day moving average, which is at 1013. As I'm speaking right now, the high of the day is around 1005. So my point is, watch the 100-day moving average in November beans. With December corn, we've also seen some more short covering rally from the managed funds. They've covered their short position day by day. They're very close to also watching the 100-day moving average in December corn, which is right at 355. We've had a good bounce off the lows in corn as well. That's also today fueled kind of a turnaround for wheat. We took it on the chin yesterday. We had December Chicago wheat go under $4. The traders went down there, looked for stops. We didn't get any stops. We're already up trading around 415 today. So a good bounce off of a 1 week low yesterday in the wheat. Throw it all together. We're heading towards another USDA report on the 9th. That's what we'll be looking at next. The funds still remain short corn and wheat, and they're long soybeans. They're probably getting longer soybeans as we go up and challenge, if we do challenge this 100-day moving average at 1013 in November's. I think a lot of spreaders also are looking out. You can go to November of 2017 now. We're at that $10 level. I've talked before about the importance of round numbers, $10 beans, $4 corn, $5 wheat. Those round numbers attract a lot of attention. Similarly to when you've got the Dow at 18,000, those round numbers attract attention. So watch that. Finally, let's talk about the livestock very quickly. We've had a good bounce. We've had a $10 bounce in the feeder cattle to 1-month highs. Fat cattle have rallied $7 after a pretty bullish cattle on feed report last week. The market is oversold. We are well supplied. This looks more like a technical rally than anything else. It's actually pulled up the lean hogs as well. Lean hogs have been at a 10-year low, close to a 14-year low. And they've come back about $5, running into resistance right now as I speak. So those livestock markets continue to be in an overall downtrend. These might be counter trends, which you would want to try and maybe step in front of or jump on board and see if it extends. But pretty good opportunity technically across the board for grains and livestock. That's about it. If you're looking for help with your hedging or your trading, give me a call. Look me up on the web, Chris Robinson.